Alright, y'all, this is basically part 2. You know, it's D3 Uzumaki, and we're fucking back at it, you know. Oh shit. Hey, y'all saw the raindrops? Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna replay that a couple of times for y'all, just so y'all can see the raindrops.
I've come for Lord Shimura.
Oh yeah, this part clean. Let's go, bruh. Don't play with me, bro. Sit your ass down. See, I be scared. Fuck you, Craig. I ain't playing with y'all no more. That's some bitch ass niggas, mo. Hold on that. Sure.
I'm surprised.
Please don't, baby girl. Please don't. I'll beat your ass.
Sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
That's not how we planned. Oh, that. What? What? I swear, guys, I countered it. I swear to God. I swear to God. Fuck.
Not sure.
Oh shit.
Mongols fired them off at the beach.
That was a nice little bit. He's dead. Fuck him and his mama. Yeah, his mama. Bro, you gotta learn how to counter, bro. I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to you. I don't know who I'm talking to, guys. Hey, counter that shit, bro. If you don't counter that shit, I forgot I can't block that. Well, let me move my dreads real quick. You know, gotta be able to see this shit. Here we go.
What's all that noise?
Oh shit, that nigga's already here.
The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
There we go. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to fucking see, nigga. Okay, guys. Why not? Let's got that though. Oh no! 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 I'm done dying, guys.
Not sure.
I'm tired of this shit. Alright, now guys, I'm done dying.
Not sure. The Mongols fired them off at the beach.
Damn, shawty. You got that reach. You got that reach. I give you that. I don't need to heal. You know what? I'm not even gonna need to heal this whole time. Y'all made me mad. I ain't even gonna get touched no more. Except by fallen flying arrows. Fucking bitch. I just wanna have fun.
Not sure.
That was a fluke. Something happened. I had to pause it. Doesn't matter, guys. But we're back. You know, it didn't really affect anything because I was already dying anyway.
Not sure. The Mongols fired them
What?
off at the
You
beach.
countered me? What? You countered me again? Hey, bro. Thank you, girl. That was no games. That was fucked up. Let's go. Hey, I ain't playing. Yeah, fuck that. Damn. Taking all the kills. She said you ain't getting any kills because you're trash. Oh, well, fuck you, bitch. Yo. She's back, man. I don't remember the arrows killing me.
Not sure.
I'm really not playing no more with these fucking bitches. These fuckers. These motherfuckers. say, bitch. Like I'm a stupid ass idiot. I know.
Mongols fired them off at the beach.
Sliced his ass. Sliced his ass. Hey, hold on. Yeah, you've been doing that to me all day. Oh. Yeah, it's daytime where I am. Don't know exactly what time it is. We ain't playing. We ain't playing with y'all. We ain't playing with y'all. Yeah. Look at that. I just had to do that, guys.
I have to. Fall back.
Alone?
Damn.
Clear. When I find Lord Shimura, we'll need a quick escape.
I'll get the horses ready.
Do it.
Yeah, bitch, run.
If I'm not back soon, ride for the forest.
I'm the realest nigga out here. Wait, what? Okay, I mean, I wasn't really tripping. I knew how to do that. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, boy. I will murk you and your whole fucking family. Oh, you're already dead? Chill. Let's go. Da-na-na-na. Da-da-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Okay. Oh shit. I hit you first. I'm quicker. I'm quicker than you, boy. Dodging arrows. I forgot about this. Okay. I already dodged it, boy. Ooh. Yeah, you didn't think I was gonna be that clean with it, huh?
Come and fight!
Alright, let's do this. Done for, boy. Make another move like that again. Ever again, boy. I'll be here to stop you. I'll be here to stop you each time. Okay. Oh, wow. 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 Motherfuckers be cheating me, bros.
Face me!
They be cheating me. Yum, yum. Yum. Alright, well. I hope those get harder. I never played another one, I think. That was not. What? And one hit? Yo. Bro. Bro, I literally can't get touched. Nice. That's okay. Didn't have to get touched. That's okay with me, you know. I'm okay with that. Doesn't mean I have to try hard. Gotenkan! I feel the same way, bro. Oh shit, hey, I kinda remember this being kinda tough.
I am Jin Sakai, nephew of Lord Shimura. I have come to avenge his honor.
Jin, your uncle has told me much about you, Jin Sakai. I will show him his nephew, broken and humiliated, begging to join the Mongol Empire. Jin. This is your time, Lord Sakai.
Fucking A, man. Hey, bro.
God is watching.
That's cool.
Submit, Losakai. Slit your throat.
Oh fuck. That nigga pulled that out. Like,
Surrender.
that nigga pulled it. What the fuck was that?
Show your uncle how easily he can bring peace to your home.
I feel like I could have won that if they gave me a second try.
Save yourself.
Oh, buck 50. Buck 50 is on. Hey. He ain't getting no hoes, no mo. Damn. And now I swim with the fishes.
Again. Father.
Jin. Help
Hey,
me.
that look like my Neo character, bro. Oh fuck, that could be me in a different dimension, and I'm his. That's my son. I died, and then I'm playing my son's story. That's crazy. Yeah, this is about where I stopped last time. Like, as soon as I became this little boy.
Young master, it's time.
I'm coming, Yuriko.
The whole island has come to mourn your father.
Can't you send them away?
You must face them, Jin. You are now the master of Clan Sakai.
Damn, look
You're
how
not
beautiful this
watched.
is.
Your father
Oh,
is
look
the
at
wind
these
your
bushes.
back. Your mother, the birds in the trees.
And Uncle?
He will tell you at your father's pyre.
Thank you, Yuriko.
Hideko. Her name, Hideko? Never mind.
If
I'll
you ever
continue.
need guidance, Clan Adachi will help you.
Damn. They know my dad just died. Well, I died from Neo, but yeah, guys, that story was amazing, guys. Yeah.
Protected the people above all else.
Oh, he's over here talking. Wait. I think it was him who was talking. I have headphones, so that shit was like everywhere. I was like, what? Wait, it's on the right side? Yeah, it's on the right side. Damn. What the fuck?
Couldn't save him. I was a coward.
Jin, you are a samurai.
He died because of me.
Your father fell in battle saving his only son. His reward is a warrior's death. Now you will carry on his legacy. Your father's spirit resides within his blade.
Damn, look at the lightning bolts on the bottom of it. And that blade,
He is
Conway.
always with you. Tomorrow, you will come to my fortress as my ward. Today, say goodbye to your father.
Oh, I didn't have to be that little boy for that long. See, I was like, fuck that.
How do I save him?
Level up. You gotta level up. Hunt some deers and everything. And you will know what I'm talking about later on. XP. XP. I want to follow the wind. But I also want to follow me. And see if there's any loot. You know. Give me the loot, VIG. I can't sing it. But you guys can think it. And remember, if you don't know it, look it up. Yeah. Y'all saw that jump? Almost broke my ankles. He ain't ready for that. This is ancient times. They have never jumped off a cliff. Damn. Found some deer already, Dad.
Come on.
You know.
You know,
I did not mean to go behind that tree. I don't know
What
why.
happened?
I found Tsushima. I could have saved him. The Khan was there. I failed my uncle.
At least you're in one piece.
I swore to protect this island with my life. But now the Mongols have stolen our home, killed our samurai.
You forgot what it's like to fight someone stronger than you. To feel weak. Sometimes when you're staring death in the face, you have to do whatever it takes to survive.
The Khan expects to fight a war against the samurai. He will anticipate our every move, unless we find new ways to surprise him. That's how we'll save Lord Shimura and retake our home.
You'll need some help.
Riders, the Khan's attack dogs.
There's too many of them! Hide! In the grass!
What? Whoa, whoa. Hey, to me, that's not too many. Bitch, you think they can't see us? Bitch, they definitely can see. Bro, I want to kill them. Oh, shit. Okay, that was a couple of motherfuckers. That would have took a long time. We would just have to run, split them up.
Bastards scared off the horses.
They're samurai mounts, trained to return to their masters.
Oh yeah, what you talking about?
Nice trick.
That ain't a trick, baby. That's something I was
Mongols must be
born
hunting.
with. That's a skill.
Just split up. I'll draw their attention.
That's
while
in
you
my
escape.
fucking
I'm not leaving
DNA.
your side until we've saved my brother.
First, I need to find more allies. Trained warriors. Like Sensei Ishikawa and Lady Masuko Adachi. They can help.
My brother can help too. Once we save him, you'll have the island's best blacksmith in your debt.
Oh
You'll make
yeah.
whatever tool you need to save your uncle.
We need him. We need him.
Scale the castle walls.
You dream it, Taka can make it.
Oh yeah.
Where are they holding him?
He was captured near Kechi.
Ride there and ask around. I'll join you soon.
Taka
What-
won't last long in the Mongol cage.
You know, we will save your brother.
And your uncle.
That's what's up. I like how she said that. I got my black steed, son. Oh yeah. I'm not even driving, guys. It is the cutscene still. I swear. Oh, it's me now. That was fucking beautiful, guys. Holy fuck. Like, where do I am? Like, I'm mesmerized. Is this open world? What is this? Wait, is this game open world? Whoa. Whoa. Yo, that's cool. That's cool. Is this open world or is like islands? Either way, it's pretty cool. This is a tale. And the wind will guide me. Show me wind. Show me where you go. What? Hold on. That is so cool. Oh my god. I got the Mongol territory. Hey, horsey. We on the bigger and better things today. We on the bigger. Hey, hey, chill, chill. Damn, they cut me down as soon as I wanted to smoke. Damn. They didn't even give me time. Where the fuck am I? Yeah, this time we're still not playing with y'all. Round 2, bitch. I dodged too early, bitch. Round 3, bitch. That's how you do it right there. You're fucked. You're fucked. Defeat the Mongols. No problem. The Mongols. The Mongols. What's up, y'all? Oh my god. Who is that? Who the fuck is that? So I gotta watch this. I'm glad he didn't assassinate me. That would have been ruthless. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, he's sweet though, y'all. He's sweet for real. He ain't got the warrior code in him. You know what I'm talking about? He ain't got that warrior code in him. Let's show him what the warrior code mean. Let's show him what the warrior code mean. Let's show him what the warrior code means. I can't see, bitch. You got lucky, bitch. No way. Oh, I was cocky. Let's show them all what the warrior code means. That shit was awesome. This big ass nigga. Ah, killed you bastard. Ended. Are you suffering over here? Oh, I forgot these niggas got supplies sometimes. Oh. Hey. If I die, that's what I get. That wasn't very honorable. Hey, that's just instinct though, you know? If you're behind somebody, assassinate that nigga. That's just first thought. A nigga tried to see.
Thank you.
I don't know who the fuck that was. Does a nigga want smoke? Oh shit! Fuck. Alright, let's go save her brother. Let's go save this girl brother before she get mad at me and shit. Nice.
Jin,
What the fuck is going on?
you found me.
You handled that well.
I should
You
have heard him
did.
coming. Let myself get distracted. These people saw Mongols marching prisoners upriver. They had a blacksmith with them.
Your brother?
Sounds like it. They were taking him to a camp near the Canada Inlet.
I know the place.
I really don't know the place, but it's okay.
Did you find any samurai to free your uncle?
Not yet, but I'm still searching.
I'm sure you'll find someone soon.
Hey baby, where you at, Buttercup? Buttercup 2, I mean, cause you know Buttercup 1 had an accident. Fucking Mongols. I will fucking avenge you, Buttercup. Me and Buttercup 2.
Taka can
No.
help you after we save him.
Alright, we're gonna save him.
See him soon.
He's lucky to have you.
He might disagree.
That's
Wait,
what
hold on.
samurais are for.
680 meters?
What about you?
I better be going the right way.
Lord Shimura is my only family.
What will you do when he's free?
Take a breath. Because then I'll know there's hope for our island.
You feel that strongly?
I've watched him win victory against impossible odds. And after your brother is free, what then?
Honestly, I haven't had time to think about it.
Oh, my horse jumps by itself.
How are your wounds?
Mostly healed. Your bandages did the trick.
You don't share much about how you feel, do you?
I suppose you're right. My uncle taught me that a samurai masters his emotions, like you master a horse or a blade.
That's a hard way to live.
It's not supposed to be easy. There's a spot up ahead that overlooks the river.
Should give us a good view of the Mongol camp.
I was about to say, I was like, what?
Tough to get inside.
The Mongols threw that place together in days. There has to be a way in. Let's look.
What camp do y'all see? Boy, if I don't see it from here.
We need to reach Taka without putting him in danger.
We'll find a safe approach.
Boy, I will crush that.
You could scale the rocks on that side.
If they're loose, they might give way. Alert the guards.
Defenses in back are formidable. The front wall there is still under construction.
Could be a way in. We can look for a gap in the front wall. Slip inside.
And cut down the Mongols where they stand.
If something goes wrong, they'll kill the prisoners. I've seen them do it. We have to go in quietly.
Like thieves.
What's wrong with that?
Before the samurai, this island was ruled by criminals. We changed that by creating order, delivering justice in the open. We live by a code of honor. And sometimes we die by it. Warriors like my father, who just wanted to give us a safer home.
I want the same thing. But we have to fight back.
I promised my uncle I'd never break our code.
Then bend it. To save my family. And what's left of yours.
Let's get a closer look. See what we're up against.
We should wait until it gets darker.
Let's move.
Alright, guys, well. I'm gonna keep going.
Taka, he's been through a lot, even before the invasion.
But you took care of him.
Someone had to. He hated when I stole. It was that or starve. I didn't have a choice.
I didn't choose to be a samurai.
Get over here!
Hey, bitch. Damn, who you yelling at?
I didn't choose to be a samurai either. But going against my instincts, my code.
It's better than getting wiped out by the Mongols. We have to fight back. Any way we can.
Through here.
Damn.
If they see us, they'll kill the prisoners.
Damn, you saw his facial expression? He's not playing.
And open their throats.
That was kind of sexy. Hey, yo, is she trying to get fucked, bruh? That way, the way she said that, open there. Hey, yo, is she kind of crazy? Hey, his first assassination was sloppy.
What do you think, Jin?
The bear's running with a limp. Your arrow wounded him.
This is when a beast is most dangerous. Remain alert.
Yes, uncle.
Keep after him.
I didn't think bears lived here.
They don't. But the fighting in Yarikawa drove some this way.
So it's the rebels' fault. We should feed them to this bear as punishment.
We are not barbarians, Jin.
I don't know what the fuck going on. Y'all want me to fight a bear? I play Far Cry Primal. I ain't... You don't look like you can handle a bear yourself, man. I'm sorry. Hey, what?
The bear stumbled here. Is it dying?
No. But we're getting closer.
I'm just trying to get there, man.
Stay ready, Jin.
Yes, uncle. If it's still alive, can I take the shot?
Prove you can control your emotions. Then, perhaps.
We got him.
Careful. You could still be alive.
A small ass bear.
Look, uncle. There's a gash in his side. Not from an arrow.
Hey, bro, I like how my dumb ass moved. So, like...
An assassin! From Yarikawa!
Traitor! You would stab the Chido in the back!
Rosakai! Control yourself. We are not criminals, like this man here. We are samurai.
He tried to kill you! He must answer for this crime with his life.
Yeah. He should,
Give me
though.
the eye.
No, he shouldn't, guys. You know.
Teach him that samurai never acts out of anger or fear. And take his life with honor.
Damn. That's...
When we fight, we face our enemy head on. And when we take their life, we look them in the eye with courage and respect. This is what makes us samurai. Only cowards strike from the shadows.
Hey, that's kind of disrespectful, because sometimes you got, you know, reconnaissance and stuff like that, you know? He just talked about Naruto so dirty. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, he came after all of them.
Jin. What's wrong?
Let's find your brother.
We're gonna be,
See us.
we're gonna be,
All your senses. Think and move like a thief.
Oh, press it. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. You're dead, man. I'm so sorry. I'm getting really good at assassinating people, huh? I at least had to kill that guy, regular.
Mina, is that?
No, not Taka.
Oh, good.
What you mean good? Why you say good, huh? I'm still open this motherfucker. Oh, that nigga got his shit fucked up. I'm a dumbass. He got assassinated. Robbing the fuck out of these people. Coming a thief for real. A thiefery. A semi-thief. A thief of samurai. That was the best one. A thief of samurai. Oh shit. Almost got our shit back.
There, a prisoner.
Taka?
Let's find out.
Yeah, I got you.
Not Taka.
Well, this guy died for this guy, so I'm opening it.
How'd you get in here?
We need to go. We'll talk when it's safe.
Come on.
Let's get to the river. We'll be safe there.
So you're telling me we hit that whole base of
You were the
operations?
Straw Hat Ronin?
I was. Cut ties with them after they started running low on rations.
Lord Shimura's been captured, and I could use some extra swords to free him. Are you looking for work?
No, but the other Straw Hats may be. Last I heard, they were hunting Mongols in Tsutsu Prefecture, by the coast near the Kishi grasslands.
Can I see herbs like this? Oh, I can't, but I saw it anyway. Damn, flowers. Oh shit, oh shit. I'm a fool.
We're looking for my brother, a blacksmith named Taka.
Don't know him, but a lot of prisoners move through here.
I moved through here like a fucking gazelle.
You said they were moving the slaves. Where?
They mentioned Azamo Bay. And there was a blacksmith in the last group. A young man with a beard. From Yarikawa, maybe.
You'd better be right.
Damn,
I
okay.
need to find your blacksmith.
Taka's alive in Osmo Bay.
The town is surrounded by walls. Rushing in without a plan will only put him in more danger.
I have a friend who might be able to get us inside.
Find him. The sooner we rescue Taka, the sooner we save my uncle.
Jin. Taka will forge whatever tool you need as soon as he's free. But after that, we're leaving the island.
You've seen what the Mongols are doing here. Lord Shimura can stop them. Stay. Help us fight for a home.
Please.
Home is wherever Taka and I go.
Damn. She ain't wrong though.
My friend lives in Azamo Prefecture, on the border with Tsutsu.
I'll find you there.
I know this wasn't easy. Going against your code.
I did what I had to.
Thank you.
That shit was sweet too. I was with it. I was with it. I was assassinating niggas left and right. Walked into somewhere that said square, nigga was dead.
You deserve better than this. Convince your people to stop resisting, and you can walk free.
Stop wasting my time. Kill me.
You think you've lost everything. But your nephew is to the dive. My men control the roads. They build war camps near your towns. They see everything, and they will find him.
Lord Sakai will fight until his last breath.
Yeah, I will.
As will I.
Yeah, tell him, Uncle.
You love him. Just as you love your people. You're a father to them. Will you abandon your children?
I won't make them your slaves.
Hey. That's real as shit. I won't make them your slaves. Point of no return. Ooh, skill point earned, technique point earned. Oh shit. Alright, y'all. Well, me and Buttercup 2 about to head out. You know, he drinking some water. We out here, man. Alright, y'all. Peace.